Which came first, conversation class or conversation test? The test came first. It's not some fancy addition to the class. The test makes the class possible. When you can easily grade real-world conversations, your class can be real-world conversations. To be clear, this was not added to this. This enables this. How? The test is easy as 1, 2, 3. 3 students of similar ability have a 17-minute conversation. They record it with their phone and transcribe just what they said. MS Word gives their ability, mistakes, and improvement. Easy. First, partners of similar ability. The placement test gives their first test partners. Partners are grouped by ability from high to low. Total words spoken on the first test gives their second test partners. Total words average on the first and second test gives their third test partners. Wow, this is well organized and systematic. Yes, and easy to do. Second, record and transcribe. The transcript shows total words they spoke, average words per turn, vocabulary used, mistakes made, mistakes corrected. How can you convert this information to grades? Easy. Basic ability counts for 20%. This is just your educated opinion. Total words, 20%. Vocabulary, 20%. Top 5 mistakes, 10%. Transcript, 30%. Wow, this is well organized and systematic. Yes, and easy to do. Third, ability and improvement. Here's universal speaking ability using total words spoken during a 3-person 17-minute conversation. 800 or more, A. 600 B, 500 C, 300 D, 200 F. Students are beginning speakers, constructing sentences in their brain as fast as they can. And MS Word precisely measures that. Here's total words converted to words per minute. The top student spoke 40 words per minute. The bottom student spoke 10 words per minute. Wow, that's a big difference. Yes, this test measures speaking ability, not memorizing ability. Speaking ability and improvement are now visible. You can see their ability. At a glance, you can see this is a low-level speaker. They did not speak much, and they spoke in short utterances. You can see this is a high-level speaker. You can see the long utterances and the polite short utterances where they asked, "What about you?" Here's the plot twist. First test, third test. It's the same student. You can see their improvement. Speaking ability and improvement are now visible. And speaking is now self-correctable. What about mistakes? The more the better. Mistakes are the mother of all improvement. Nobody improves by saying, "I'm fine," and you, "perfectly." 2 hours of transcribing and self-correcting are much more valuable than a whole semester of teacher talk. To be clear, this is not a test of English as an academic subject. This is a real-world conversation that's used as an academic speaking test. The methodology is human nature. What gets tested gets done.